Okay, so before we start to the class of the information technology audit and control, I will give you some explanation about the plan of this course. So the course will be have a 3 credit, yeah. You already know about it, and then uh, I will lead this course until the end of the semester, and then we will discuss about the information system audit and control in the theoretical way and also in the learning process of the to be the IS or information system auditor. So the goals of this course is give you some knowledge and then also some understanding about the role of the information system auditor audit as the theoretical basis or as the learn a lesson for you in, especially in the computer science, and then also will give you some broad knowledge about how to be IS auditors, how the work of IS auditors, how the process and how the workflow, the step, and also the requirement to be the information system auditors. And the reason why we learn and study this course is it is because this is actually one of the major major discussion in the information system landscape today, because now we face the digital era for many leading sector in the not only in the industry, yeah, also in the government, also in the some case in the university or academics, and also in the in other place. So this is very important role that information system audit is not only about job but also is about the process. This is integrated with the information system development life cycle, actually software engineering, and today we discuss about the big data, artificial intelligence, cyber security, and etc. So we will discuss a lot about it, and of course because information system audit and control is one of the major major works and major disciplines in industry, and it's very close with industry. We will discuss about the industrial standard that manage these subjects. Yeah. So in the information system audit and control, we will discuss a lot in the in the landscape of the uh, industrial rules, industrial standard that we need to comply with it, and then we do some assessment, and then we have evaluation and recommendation for that. So that will be our objective. So hopefully after you take this course, at least you have a 2 point, the beneficial or value beneficial point or values. The first is you as a computer science students have a skill knowledge about the information system audit and control. Of course you will your skill will be help you and also give you some valuable qualification to enter the market, and then you will be a professional. And also in another side is information system audit and control is also one of the research area that very emerging, because today we have many cases that need a lot information system audit and control handling. Yes, for example, several time ago we have issue that Tokopedia have the data breach issue, Bukalapak also have same issue, several bank also have that issue, so that will be very interesting to us to enter in that issue. And then the second is the valuable benefit for you to take this course is you will be introduced to the best practice how to be the information system auditors. This is one of the job or function or professional function that now very related and very emerging, that maybe you already know about the data scientist, but one emerging job that still needed until today is IS auditors. Yeah, so that will be very challenging for you. That will be your future also. So that will be our landscape, and this course we will have about 10 event or 10 session. I divide into 10 discussion our topics that will today we will discuss more about the definition, scope, and also the steps of the auditors. Will be introduce you about the information technology audit, and the second is we will discuss about the how we comply with the regulation and also the standard that will be we need to fulfill in the information system auditors. And then the rest we will do some practice, a little bit case study to enhance your capability to understand the information system auditors, and then we do some analysis on it. The two part that most important in the information system auditor is we call it the compliant and substantive test that we will discuss more about it. So hopefully during you join this course, we will have a broad range of knowledge about it, and then you can we can discover a lot about it. Yeah. So that's our what we want to enhance in this course. And then we will have a two assessment. The first is in the mid-sem, and then the second is in the final test. So but the mid-sem and final test I will build based on the capstone scenario that will be of course in the mid-sem or the final test you will do some exercise, you answer the question, but actually to answer the question you just need to follow the case study that we built during the session, and then you collect the data, and then you fulfill in the answer sheet in your mid-sem and the final test. So if you join every week in this course, I think it's not difficult for you to fulfill all the requirement or the answer in the mid-sem or the final test. So that will be the scenario. And to make smooth this this course, I will have a platform to distribute the material. The first is using ELOC. Yeah, you can join the ELOC UGM-ICID. You enroll in there, and then I will give you step by step and every session material for you, and then also the about the discussion and some note on that. And I will also distribute the main reference. I will give you some soft file of books and some notes that can help you to understand more in detail about the information system audit theory and so etc. And I also will update in the learning management system inside CMaster, and please wait because this will be still continue to update the material. So I will do that kind of the material. And every session I will try to record the the session, and then I will upload into the ELISA and also in the YouTube in my channel, so you can follow the video, and also you can rewind the material, the explanation and discussion, and then hopefully it can help you to understand more about the information system audit. Yeah, that's the explanation, the first explanation about our scenario for our course. If you have any question, please send in the chat in the in the WebEx meeting, so you can chat in there. Just drop your question, and I will answer your question. Okay. Okay. Please wait. I will